Hello, Luxorians. Welcome back to the family. Are you suffering from scanty and very dry hair? Then this video is definitely for you. This hair pomade will add shine to your hair, strengthen and improve hair growth. So please keep watching and let me show you how. So guys, I made this lip balm for myself and for my kids to fight this harsh winter weather. But I realized I added a lot of essential oil which made it quite strong. So I took it out of the syrup sleeves and stored it in this container in the hope of doing this hair pomade. So I have basically subtracted how much beeswax oils and butters in my lip balm for my recipe. So this is why it is very important, guys, to weigh out your ingredients so it will be easy to scale up or down. So here is my recipe on the screen. You can take a screenshot if you want to. Being able to make your own hair products or any DIY recipes gives you the opportunity to control what ingredients goes into your formulation. The base of my hair pomade is beeswax and avocado butter. You can see I went in with quite a small quantity of my beeswax. This is because I have calculated this recipe based on the lip balms I'll be remelting in this recipe. So to make things easy, please make sure to check the recipe in the beginning of this video so you're not confused with my measurements. Beeswax is what it is, a wax, but it is moisturizing and has antibacterial properties and also non-comedogenic, which means it won't clog your pores. Avocado butter helps to reduce dandruff, prevent breakage, and detangle the hair. Coconut oil will make your hair look shinier, stronger, and longer, but you have to be very careful, guys, to stay within the safety range of up to 25%, otherwise you risk having a very dry and brittle hair. So I'm just scooping out the over fragrance lip balm into my bowl. I'll put that to the side and start measuring out my light oils. In my light oil phase, I have gone in with olive oil, avocado oil, carrot oil, castor oil, onion oil, and pineapple and the citrus fruit oil. Pineapple and the citrus fruit oil is very high in vitamin C and will, together with the other oils, help to prevent hair loss, aid in hair regrowth, heal irritated scalp, and also helps to regulate sebum production. I have a video of how I made the pineapple oil, onion oil, and carrot oil up on my channel. I'll leave a link on the screen and in the description box so you can go check it out. If you've watched most of my hair videos, you realize that I almost always incorporate herbs in my recipes. These herbs will help in improving the growth of hair follicles and thereby promote hair growth. It will also help in improving the blood circulation of the scalp and also bind the hair roots onto the scalp. Trust me when I tell you that some of these herbs don't have the best of sense, but that is where our essential oils come in. You also want to go for essential oils such as rosemary, lavender, peppermint, or grapeseed for their added benefits to your hair. So I'll just sieve out the hair particles using my double sieve method as always. I cannot stress enough, guys, how important it is to use this method. All that sandy feeling on your scalp won't be felt anymore if you use a coffee filter instead, I promise you. So I'm now going in with my cool down phase or third phase as it is on my recipe. You don't want to overheat your third phase so as not to tamper with some of that goodies found in our essential oils. So I'm basically just going to heat up this third phase in the microwave for about a minute with 30 seconds burst each time. I'll go ahead and melt my phase 1 on very low heat and also heat up phase 2 in the microwave for 1 minute. I'll now combine my first, second and third phases together and mix very well so they are fully combined together. We'll now go ahead and pour our melted oils into our sterilized containers. I'll let this cool down and I'll be back to show you what the consistency looks like when everything is all hardened up. This is how our pomade is looking like, guys. I'm so loving the consistency a lot. It looks solid but actually very soft. You see how it melts into my skin? So great. Your hair will benefit greatly from this formulation, guys, and it smells amazing too. We have now come to the end of our video, guys. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.